From zero to heroes, India have given a lot of gifts to the other world. India were pioneer in all the fields, all the major fields, and India, ancient India, I'm talking about ancient India was way more progressive than other part of the world. But कभी आपने सोचा है कि ऐसा क्यों होता होगा? India were far more progressive than other part of world. May it be science, may it be spirituality, may it be mathematics, engineering and construction, or even education system. ऐसा क्यों होता होगा कि India is way more progressive than other world, and India were pioneer in most of the innovation in ancient time. Unfortunately, आज के टाइम में ऐसा नहीं है. We have lost majority of our heritage and our abilities, but it was in ancient time. और उसके पीछे क्या लॉजिक होता होगा? क्यों ऐसा होता होगा कि इंडियंस हर फील्ड में पायोनियर थे, इनोवेटर्स थे when compared to the other world? There are many reasons of it, and one major reason is Indians were living in tune with nature. May it be through diet or lifestyle, our ancestors were living in tune with nature. So when we talk about nature, there are three major cycles in the nature. The number one cycle is the revolution of Earth around its own axis. The number two cycle is rotation of Moon around the Earth, and it is called as lunar cycle. And the third cycle is rotation of Earth around the Sun, and which takes around 1 year, 1 full year. And because of this, many seasonal changes happen in the environment, and all those cycles, all those changes affect our biological and physical functions. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the first cycle, which is revolution of Earth around its own axis, which takes 24 hours. And because of this rotation, because of this revolution, the 24 hours split into two parts, day and night. And this revolution affects our physical and biological functions. So let's understand more about this first cycle, revolution of Earth around its own axis. In Ayurveda, this concept is called as Dinacharya, or the day plan. So first I'm going to talk about the modern perspective of day plan or early rising. In recent time, neuroscience has progressed a lot, and neuroscience believes that early rising habit is very much beneficial for our health and well-being. So when we talk about neuroscience, there are different hormones that secretes in the body, and when we wake up early in the morning, that hormones get balanced automatically. So I'm going to talk about three main hormones that get balanced when we wake up early in the morning and do certain activities that are in tune with nature. Cortisol is the hormone which is secreted by adrenal gland, and it is also known as the stress hormone. It has other functions also, but it is mainly responsible for stress condition in our body. Cortisol जनरली मिडनाइट में सिक्रेट होना चालू होता है और मॉर्निंग के टाइम तक उसका सिक्रेशन पीक पॉइंट पे पहुंच जाता है. अराउंड 9 AM द कॉर्टिसोल सिक्रेशन इज एट देयर पीक, और उसके बाद धीरे धीरे वो कम हो जाता है और उसका सिक्रेशन दिन के टाइम में धीरे धीरे कम होकर बंद हो जाता है. सो जब भी हम मॉर्निंग में जल्दी उठते हैं और कुछ फिजिकल और मेंटल एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं, उसकी वजह से कॉर्टिसोल का एक्सेस प्रोडक्शन कम हो जाता है, and that way we can balance stress in our body and mind. The second hormone is dopamine. Dopamine is the hormone which is related to pleasure and rewards. इसको एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ समझते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपके घर में कुछ आपका फेवरेट खाना बन रहा है, और जैसे आपको पता चल जाता है कि आज वो फेवरेट खाना बन रहा है, या जब हम उस खाने को स्मेल करते हैं, जब प्रिपरेशन के टाइम में उसको स्मेल करते हैं, तभी हमारी इनर फीलिंग्स चेंज हो जाती है. Brain recognize that something good is on my way, and that's how dopamine starts secreting, और उसकी वजह से हमारी फीलिंग्स चेंज हो जाती है और हमारे अंदर हैप्पीनेस की फीलिंग बढ़ जाती है. और एक्चुअल में जब उस फूड को हम खाते हैं, तब हमारे डोपामाइन का सिक्रेशन और भी ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है, एंड वी गेट अ फीलिंग ऑफ fulfillment, happiness and pleasure within us. The third hormone is serotonin. Serotonin is also called as mood stabilizer hormone, and it is responsible for all the positive emotions within us. It also plays part in digestive system, and it is also responsible for sound sleep. So this is all about the neuroscience, the modern aspect of rising early in the morning. Now let's see the second part of the story, that is what Ayurveda believes when it comes to Dinacharya, or when it comes to early rising. In Ayurveda, there is one unit of time that is called as Muhurta, और एक दिन में 24 आवर्स में 30 मुहूर्तास होते हैं. That means one muhurta is equals to 48 minutes. And Ayurveda believes according to time in a day, our physical and biological functions also changes. So in Ayurveda there is one concept related to muhurta or the time that is called as Brahma Muhurta, which literally means creator's time. Brahma means creator and Muhurta is a time. So Brahma Muhurta is referred to as a creator's time. When we are waking up in Brahma Muhurta and doing certain activities, physical and mental activities, that will ultimately channel the creativity and wisdom within us. So Brahma Muhurta कब होता है? So Brahma Muhurta is depend on sunrise time. और ब्रह्म मुहूर्त सनराइज के एक मुहूर्त पहले एंड होता है और 2 मुहूर्त पहले स्टार्ट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी कंसिडर सनराइज हैपन्स एट अराउंड 6:18 AM. जनरली 6 से 6:30 के बीच में सनराइज होता है. मैंने इजी कैलकुलेशन के लिए कंसिडर किया है कि 6:18 पर सनराइज हो रहा है. तो इस केस में 6:18 के पहले का एक मुहूर्त, यानी कि 6:18 के पहले 5:30 to 6:18 इज वन मुहूर्त, और उसके पहले का जो एक मुहूर्त है उसको हम ब्रह्म मुहूर्त कह सकते हैं. सो इन दिस केस 4:42 AM to 5:30 AM is a Brahma Muhurta. So Ayurveda says whenever we are waking up in a Brahma Muhurta and do certain physical and mental activities that will channelize creativity, talent and wisdom within us. So what are those activities that we have to do in a Brahma Muhurta? The first is physical activity, the second is spiritual activity, and third is mental activity. So modern science or neuroscience also believes in the same theory. So in recent time, there are a lot of study about Dinacharya, day plan and brain chemistry or the neuroscience. So there is one book about Dinacharya or the day plan in modern time, and the book name is 5 AM Club. This book is written by the great author Robin Sharma, और इस बुक में उन्होंने मॉर्निंग टाइम की कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ को मेंशन किया है और उस एक्टिविटी को 3 कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया है. द फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी इज मूव, द सेकंड इज रिफ्लेक्ट एंड थर्ड इज ग्रो. मूव, रिफ्लेक्ट एंड ग्रो. मूव मीन्स द फिजिकल एक्सरसाइज, द फिजिकल मूवमेंट. रिफ्लेक्ट मीन्स मेडिटेशन, स्पेंड टाइम विथ योर सेल्फ थ्रू मेडिटेशन. And third is grow. That means learn something new that will help in your professional and personal space. So this is how we can plan our Brahma Muhurta, doing physical and mental activities that will ultimately give health and well-being to us. But problem with today's time is we can't wake up early in the morning. It's like old-fashioned people. It's like a habit of old people. Especially because of the digital revolution, we spend a lot of time late night with our digital devices, with our mobile TV, and that's how it's very difficult for people to wake up early in the morning. Someone has said that your ideal day start from yesterday's night, and it's very important, it's very realistic. जब भी हमारी नींद टाइम पर पूरी होगी, अच्छे से पूरी होगी, तभी हम जल्दी उठ पाएंगे. So it is very important for rising early, we should start preparing from yesterday's night only. So in next video, I'm going to tell you how we can start your day from yesterday's night only, and how we can take care of our night rituals, pre-sleep rituals, in order to wake up on time and enjoy the Brahma Muhurta and enjoy the early rising habit. So see you in the next video.